The satanic plan for people. Once, when Satan convened a World Congress of Demons, in his opening address he declared, "We cannot forbid Christians from going to church. We cannot forbid them from reading the Bible. We cannot forbid them from communicating with God in prayer. The moment they establish a connection with Christ, we immediately lose our power over them. Therefore, let them enter their churches, but we will steal their time. By keeping them perpetually busy, they will not have the opportunity to pray, repent for their sins, or nurture their relationship with Christ. That is what you must do," said the devil. "You must prevent them from communicating with God and maintaining that connection throughout the day." "How shall we accomplish that?" the demons exclaimed. "Engage them with trivialities and devise innumerable ways to occupy their minds with every unnecessary activity. And most importantly, instill in them a desire for material wealth and enrichment, for mammon. Let them be driven by a desire to earn as much money as possible and to purchase cars, apartments, and vacation homes. Let them continually strive to earn more money so that they can dine in restaurants and cafes, buy expensive, fashionable clothing, undertake lavish home renovations, and furnish their dwellings with modern decor. Tempt them to spend, and then borrow, taking out long-term loans that entangle them with the banks. And once they are consumed by the pursuit of personal wealth, by the chase for mammon, they will no longer need Christ. Convince their wives to remain at work, and their husbands to labor 6 to 7 days a week, 10, 12 hours a day, so that they have no time to care for their families or raise their children. Prevent them from spending time with their children, so that the youngsters, left to roam the streets from morning till night and consorting with bad company, will cease to learn and absorb nothing of value. Then their families will disintegrate into isolation, and we will help them drown their sorrows in drink. Overstimulate their minds by keeping televisions and computers in their homes constantly running, so that they spend every available moment in front of screens, leaving no time for prayer. Ensure that non-Christian music is continuously played in every shop and restaurant around the world. This will clog their minds and shatter their unity with Christ. Expose them to countless magazines and newspapers spread across cafe tables. Bombard their minds with news and advertisements 24 hours a day. Let billboards invade the seaside views. Fill their mailboxes with advertisements, catalogs, newsletters, and offers of free goods, services, and empty promises. Show slim, attractive models in magazines and on TV, so that their husbands come to believe that external beauty is the most important attribute, fostering dissatisfaction with their wives. Let the wives be so exhausted that they have no energy left to love their husbands, and if husbands are deprived of the love they need, they will begin to seek it elsewhere. This will quickly unravel their families. At Christmas and Easter, overwhelm them with ceremonial clamor, televised concerts, and drunken feasts, so that they fail to instill in their children the true meaning of these holidays. Even if they return from vacations, they will be too weary. Arrange matters so that they have no time to venture into nature and marvel at God's creation. Instead, send them to amusement parks, sporting events, games, concerts, and movies. And may all Christians be busy, busy, busy. Flood their lives with such an abundance of trivial pursuits that they have no time to draw strength from Jesus. Soon they will live and work relying solely on themselves, sacrificing their health and families for their careers and money. It will succeed. This is a brilliant plan. The demons eagerly set forth on their mission, compelling Christians everywhere to become ever busier, hurrying here and there, leaving less time for God, for prayer, and for their families. The question remains, has the enemy succeeded in his purpose? You decide.